Am I the only one that didn't know this tiny scorpion could kill you? Seriously, the Deathstalker is absolutely terrifying. Let's take a closer look. The Deathstalker may be small, but its venom packs a punch that can stop a grown adult in their tracks. Its sting delivers an intense pain, followed by fever, convulsions, and sometimes worse. Native to North Africa and the Middle East, this scorpion glows under UV light, but trust me, you don't want to get close enough to see that glow. It's called the Deathstalker for a reason, so admire from afar and never ever try to pick one up. Crave the know, stay curious, stay awesome.